Hello students, we have completed the first unit of the 7th standards first unit. Let's start the second unit, road safety. What is the name of your second unit? Road safety. Road, you know, safety means what precautions we should take while walking or driving vehicle, what precautions we should take. These are called road safety, or what are the rules of traffic, We learn about these in this unit. Before reading that lesson, let's take a revise, or let's start the pre-reading activity. Means before reading the lesson, we should take this activity, pre-reading activity. I'll read the passage and explain it. You have to write these two answers in your notebook. Raghav's father is a traffic constable. What is Raghav's father? Raghav's father is a traffic constable. He wears a white and khaki uniform. What is his uniform? White shirt and khaki trouser or pant. That is his uniform. His main duty is to control and regulate traffic. What is his main duty? To control and regulate traffic. He generally stands on a raised platform and regulates the traffic by making certain signs with his hands. Where does he stand? He stands on a raised platform so that everyone on the road can see him. And he regulates the traffic. Regulate means controls the traffic by making certain signs of his hand. For example, to stop, to go, these signs he makes. If any driver goes against the rules, against the traffic rules, he blows whistle and stops him. He fines him accordingly. Fine means here he gives them a certain amount of, he charges them certain amount of money as a fine for breaking the rules. He also fines people who do not wear helmets while riding two-wheelers. We ride two-wheelers, and people who do not wear seat belts while driving four-wheelers. So these are the rules of traffic that he follows, and he also makes the others to follow them. So now they have asked you two questions. Based on this paragraph, based on this pre-reading activity, what is the first question? What is the duty of a traffic police person? What is the duty of the traffic police person? You have to write this answer in your notebook. Second, why are people fined by the traffic police? Why are people fined by the traffic police? Because if they are not following the traffic rules, or if they go against the traffic rules, they are fined by the traffic police. So these two answers you have to write in your notebook. So let's start the lesson now. You have got the idea that this lesson is related to the traffic rules and what are the rules we should follow while traveling, or while walking, or while driving or riding a vehicle. So let's start the lesson. Road safety. What is the name of the lesson? Road safety. Let's read the first paragraph. One day, the grandparents of Anita and Anish come to the city from a village to stay with their son and grandchildren. One day, the grandparents of Anita and Anish, grandparents means grandfather and grandmother, of whom Anita and Anish, come to the city from a village. Where did they come from? Where did they come from? They came from a village. To stay with their son and grandchildren. This is their first visit to a big city. First time they have visited to such big city. They are amazed by the crowd, big shops and displays. Amazed. What do you mean by amazed? Amazed means surprise. They are surprised to see such crowd in the big city. Crowd means a group of people. Crowd, big shops, because there are no such big shops in a village. Big shops and displays. Display means any data or information that is displayed on a board is called display. Such big displays, they are very surprised. They are very surprised. As they move from the railway station to their home, to their son's home, as they are moving from railway station to their home, they watch the traffic police and signals and are very surprised to see all these things. They watch the traffic police. What did they see? Traffic police and signals. Traffic police and signals, and are very surprised. They are very surprised to see traffic police each and every corner of the road, and signals are put on the road. So they are very surprised, and to see all these things, they ask their grandchildren several questions. To know about more that traffic police and signals, they ask several means many. Several means many questions to their grandchildren. And who were their grandchildren? Anita and Anish. They asked many questions to them. So what did the first question asked by the grandfather is? Grandfather say, so many vehicles. How do people walk on roads here, Anish? There are so many vehicles on the road. How do people walk on the road? Because there is no place for walking on the road. There are so many vehicles. There are so many vehicles. That time Anish said that, Grandpa, people do not walk on road. People do not walk on road. They walk on pavements. They walk on pavements or footpaths. People do not walk on road because on roads there are only vehicles. There are only vehicles, and people walk on pavements. So what do you mean by pavements? Raised path along each side of the road. Raised path along each side of the road for pedestrians. So what do you mean by pedestrian? A person who walks on the footpath. A person who walks on the footpath is called pedestrian. The people who wants to walk on the road, they should always use footpath or pavement. Footpath is also called as pavement. Okay. Next, Anita say, then grandmother said that it should be difficult to cross the roads then. People walk on pavements, but how to cross the road? Grandmother asked. That time Anita answers or say that, Grandma, if we follow the traffic rules, it shouldn't be difficult at all. If we follow the traffic rules, it shouldn't be difficult at all. It shouldn't be and there are no problem to walk or drive on the road if we follow the traffic rules. Then grandfather asked one more, what? Traffic rules? What are these traffic rules? Because they don't know about the traffic rules. What? Traffic rules? That time Anish tells him that, yes, Grandpa, look at how the people are crossing the road. Look there, how the people are crossing the road. First, we should wait. What we should do? We should wait or stand for a moment. We should wait till the road is clear. Till the road is clear means we should see that there are no vehicles on the road. We should wait. Then look to the right and to the left and to the right again. Then look to the right and to the left and to the right again, that there is no any vehicle coming there. So that we should make sure that there are no vehicles. When the road is clear, when the road is totally clear, we should cross. We should cross. This way he explains about how to cross the road to his grandfather. Then Anita says, see those white lines? See those white lines? They are called zebra crossings. Though the white lines, the black and white alternate lines, broad white and black alternate lines across the road for pedestrians to cross is called zebra crossing. See those white lines? We should always cross the road using this zebra crossing. While crossing the road, it is safe to cross only there or by using zebra crossing. Then Anish said, "Grandma, look at those poles. There are some poles. Look at those poles with colored lights. Poles with colored lights. Those are signal lights. One is red, which says stop. Yellow says get ready. And green says go. We know that whenever there is a red light, we should stop our vehicle. And when there is a yellow light, we should get ready to start our vehicle, or we should get ready. And whenever there is a green light, we should go. Then Anita said, if we follow them, we can avoid accident. Why we should follow the traffic lights? If we follow the traffic lights, we can avoid accident. We can avoid the accident. There will be no accident if we follow the traffic rules and traffic lights. Grandma and grandpa, oh children, you have quite a lot. We have quite a lot to learn from you. Oh children, we have quite a lot to learn from you. We can learn many things from you. That time Anita says that, don't worry, we will teach you. Don't worry, we will teach you. Don't worry about the traffic rules, we will teach you. Anish said, if you stay here for a few days, you will learn all by yourself. If you stay here for few more days if you stay here, you will automatically learn all these things by yourself. So in this way, the two grandchildren teaches their grandparents how to follow the traffic rules and what are the things come under the traffic rules.